Good evening, all my fellow YouTubers out there. I would like to welcome you to my YouTube channel, Dollars Make Sense. And on this channel, you guys are going to get a lot of videos about how to make money online. You know, for those of you that have the time, that are work at home mom and dads, these videos will give you an in-depth look on how you can make money from home. So I just made a video. I just want to come on here and talk about some of the apps that I have installed on my phone. The main one I want to talk about is Buzzbreak. So, I have like 11 apps on my phone, but today we're just going to talk about Buzzbreak, okay? Buzzbreak is an app where you get paid to basically, it says watch the news, but you can do tons of other things on here. And I'm going to show you guys, how this app works and how you can, make money with it and what's the cash out amount. Okay, so you see this little circle right here with the gift box inside of it? It's loading up right now, and I want to show you this really quick. So once it loads up, I'm going to earn points just for tapping on this little circle here. Mm-hmm. 25 points. I've earned 25 points, okay? Now up here, you guys, you see where it says, like, it shows a little clock and a plus sign with 100 next to it. You're going to click on that, and a video is going to play. And when the video is over, you guys I'll earn 100 points. We're just going to wait for it to count down. And also, I want to let you guys know, when you're doing these apps and they have ads, some of these ads will show you what's new on the Google Play Store, and you guys can download these apps that make you money. So pay close attention whenever you have an ad on your phone. If it shows you a new app, pay close attention, because you might want to download the app because, like I said, some of these apps are making me money. So right now I don't have any payment proof to show you guys, but like I said, you guys see my previous video. See, I earned 500 points altogether, okay? So, on this page, I'm going to show you what you do. You can do this all day long, okay? So you click on this, and you see right here where it says 5 seconds left to claim 50 points. You're going to wait till it says, it says, the timer's going to count down, and once it's done counting down, it's going to tell you scroll to the bottom to claim your reward. So scroll to the bottom and wait. See, I just earned 50 points. When you first start out, I don't know how many points you're going to get, but I believe it starts out with a small amount, and then it goes up higher as you use the site, I believe. But there's videos on this on YouTube you can find out. So that's basically how you do, how you want to come onto your page, and you want to click on these news ads right here. Just click on it, wait till it loads, go down here. It's going to tell you wait till the timer is done counting down, and then you scroll to the bottom of the page to claim your 50 points. And yes, you have to scroll all the way to the bottom and wait. See, I just earned another 50. That's 100 points. Every 100 points is 1 cent, so I'm just letting you know that. It was a penny from what I heard. I told you guys I do my research on these apps, okay? Now we're going to go over here to the wallet section, and I'm going to show you guys this, okay? Right now, I can cash out 10 cents if I wanted to. So let me show you this real quick. So right now, I'm able to cash out either 2 cents or 10 cents. Can't cash out 50 cents because I have 29 cents in here I can cash out. So if I wanted to cash out 10 cents, I can. If I want to cash out 2 cents, I can. The only reason I'm not cashing out anything yet is because I'm trying to get a little bit higher. 50 cents, not a lot, but 50 and 50 adds up to $1. So, maybe I am trying to get to a higher amount. Like, I want to get up to 50 cents so I can cash out 50 cents, But that's how you cash out. And it is a low option, but, it is what it is. You can share this on Buzzbreak with your groups on Facebook, and you get 1,000 points. You can follow them on Facebook as well, and you will get 300 points. Here's a referral. They have a referral program. You can earn 900 points for inviting each friend. Level 1, 900 points per friend. That's how much you'll earn. 1,000 points per friend. 1,100 points per friend. 1,000, 1,200, 200 points per friend. And 1,500 points per friend. And this is my referral code. I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to leave it in the description below if you guys decide to sign up. This is the easiest app that you guys will ever find because it's so easy to do. All you do is just what I showed you. And the tutorial, you guys can take the tutorial. And also, I don't know if you guys are going to have this on yours, but there's a free points box thing, gift right here. You click on that. Takes you over here to all these offers, okay? My advice to you, honestly, is if you have something that says watch a video or watch the video, do that first. Do all the ones that say watch a video. Scroll down till you see tap research and do the tap research because it gives you a lot of points, okay? So, and also, if the tap research don't show up, it has free points right here where it'll show you that, okay? And up here, the clock is counting down to where you'll receive your next 100 points or however many points they decide to give you. And right here is the wheel. You can spin the wheel for more points. You have to have tickets in order to do that. I don't have any. But Buzzbreak is a really great app, you guys, and I really hope that you will sign up under me and get started making your money today because this is amazing. I'm really liking this app. Okay? So there's tons of things to choose from. I personally choose all of them and just do it. Remember, you can check in daily and get 20 points for that. And you can do all kinds of things. There's sports, funny sports. There's buzz, basically news for you. This is basically for me. I'm not a news person, but so you can click this box and you get points. See, I got points. Just for clicking it, I got points. Okay? So, this is one of those apps that is really easy to use, you guys. Okay? So, I hope you like this video. Thank you for coming and watching it. It means a lot to me when you guys watch my videos. Share it with anyone you know that's willing to, make money with this app. Subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I do make an app. When I do upload a video, I'm sorry.